This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
Welcome everyone. Today we're taking you behind the scenes of the conservation work at the National Museum in Poznan, located at Marcinkowskiego Street number 9 in the year 2025. The project was executed by a foundation, and its implementation required not only significant experience, but also an extraordinary degree of precision. For many years, the building's facade had not undergone any significant revitalization treatments. Its surface was heavily covered with biological deposits, such as algae and lichens, which had deeply grown into the sandstone structure. These accumulated layers were not only extremely difficult to remove, but also proved to be very delicate. Every single movement required meticulous control to prevent any damage to the historical material. A pivotal stage involved the use of laser technology, which enables the precise cleaning of the facade, even in areas that are difficult to access. The laser beam operates with pinpoint accuracy, precisely evaporating contaminants. The operator carefully selects the optimal parameters, including power, pulse frequency, and the exact method of beam guidance. This meticulous approach ensures that every section of the facade can be cleaned uniformly, while fully preserving the original structure and natural texture of the stone. While working, one can clearly observe the distinct contrast between the sections that have been cleaned and those still covered with deposits. The laser reveals the sandstone's original color and the microstructure, uncovering architectural details hidden for years beneath layers of grime. This technology allows for control at every stage. The operator sees immediate results, enabling real-time parameter adjustments and ensuring the material's complete safety. The final result achieved is a facade that is both clean and uniform, with all its intricate historical details meticulously preserved, and a very distinct contrast clearly evident between the sections that have been newly cleaned and those remaining fragments that have not yet undergone the cleaning process. The entire project restores to the building its original character and grandeur. The subsequent phase focused on the restoration of the sculptures situated along the museum's roof cornice. For numerous years, the sculptures had been subjected to the harsh impact of various atmospheric elements and had not undergone any thorough or extensive preservation procedures. On their surfaces, there appeared dirt, biological deposits, and various layers that had accumulated over time. The restoration process began with a very thorough and extremely careful cleaning of the sculptures, giving full consideration to their intricate details, unique form, and specific height. Each fragment was individually assessed to select the best technology and working parameters. Some elements were heavily damaged by rain and frost, while others required the preservation of the finest details. Every sculpture was treated as a unique work of art. Highly precise cleaning methods were carefully applied, specifically designed to thoroughly remove all dirt and accumulated surface deposits without causing any interference or damage to the fundamental structure of the material. Operators meticulously monitor the progress at each and every stage, diligently checking the effectiveness of the cleaning process at various critical points along the cornice. Special consideration was given to those sections that are readily apparent from the observer's viewpoint, with the aim of fully restoring the profound depth of their original form and the intricate clarity of their details. Through the implementation of advanced technological methods, these sculptures have successfully recovered their pristine historical brilliance, and the striking visual contrast now evident between the meticulously cleaned sections and the remaining portions of the cornice truly emphasizes the exquisite craftsmanship involved. The entire process demanded a great deal of precision, considerable experience, and work in difficult high-altitude conditions, but the final result is truly spectacular. The sculptures and cornice now appear in their full splendor, and the museum's edifice has fully regained its historical character and aesthetic integrity. The project concluded with complete success, and the applied technology allowed for the preservation of the historic character of the facade and sculptures for many years to come, restoring the building to its former majesty. To conclude, you will see a comprehensive overview of the results. These are photos taken before and after the extensive conservation work, which most clearly illustrate how we brought back the museum's former glory and majesty.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.